Hello, this is Coy Howe, Managing Director of College Funding Solutions. In this video tutorial, I would like to take a couple of minutes and go over the features and benefits, as well as the functionality of our cutting-edge Client Progress Tracker. Our Progress Tracker not only helps personalize our services, but also keeps everybody all on the same page, all in real time. I've gone ahead and logged onto our website, www.mycollegeinfo.com. Again, that's mycollegeinfo.com. I'm on the Client Secure landing page here, the welcome page. And right underneath Client Secure, you're going to see Progress Tracker. Click on Progress Tracker, you'll see Overview and Progress Tracker. You might want to check the Overview, kind of summarizes the Progress Tracker information included, etc. Go ahead and click on Progress Tracker and you'll see that we have enrollment details, missing data, income and asset summary, activities and phone log, procedures, tax returns and W-2s, FAFSA and profile, and My Colleges. Please be advised, the underclassmen, that tax return W-2s, FAFSA, and CSS profile will not be available to you as an underclassman until you start your senior year. September 1st of your senior year, this information automatically comes into view. And the My Colleges tab for underclassmen will be a more condensed version of My Colleges for an underclassman that will be, as you progress through your senior year, there'll be much more admission application, award letter information, which will be included during your senior year. Let's go ahead and take a look at the reports and how they're displayed. Click on enrollment details. They'll produce a report that has family details and the account setup. This is what we have on file for you. This is what's in our database live. It's all in real time. Everything in these reports are all real time up to the second. The account setup shows when you enrolled, when we receive your application, your 606 form, etc. It also keeps track of what we have for the students as far as GPA, SAT, ACT scores, etc. That's all on here. Any report is available in here is available for download. Go to the blue disk up at the top. You can export it to a PDF and you can download it, save it, print it from there. So any report on here, you use the blue disk at the top to download and save. Let's check out missing data, which is our next report. Again, as you progress through the process, you're going to notice at the beginning when you first enroll, there's just going to be 2 or 3 items that are due or missing. But as you progress through the process, more and more items will become due, required, and anything that's missing will be highlighted with red missing. Anything that's missing early in the process, like the 606 DAS confirmation, if those are missing, there'll be a blue link and you can just download that required information and complete it and just submit it to our office that way. So anything that's missing early in the process, you'll be able to just download. Again, this will expand as we gradually go through the process. Income and asset summary gives a quick summary of the income and asset information that you have reported to our office, including EFCs, federal and institutional, tax information, residence, assets, life insurance, and debt. This will give you a chance to check and see the information that you have if it coincides with what we have. This is what we have in our system at the second that you process this report. Again, you can use the disk at the top to export these, print these out, save these, come back and refer these anytime you like. Activities and phone log. These are phone correspondences and any activities that you have with our office where we keep activity notes. It gives the date, time, it gives the activity, and it gives the actual notes related to the activity. Procedures. This gives you a running list, date descending order of any procedures that we've sent directly to your family, any reminders, procedures throughout the process. Tax return and W-2 submission. This report's good when you submit your tax returns, W-2s to our office, etc. You can check on here to see that they've been received and posted. You mailed them in, check a couple days later, you'll see on March 7th they were received, the tax year, parent taxes received. So then you know they have been received, they have been posted, and the information has been updated in our system. FAFSA and CSS profile. As you get into your senior year and we file the FAFSA profile information for you, 707 is required, etc. This is all going to unfold as you become a senior And during your senior year, you can check and see when the original FAFSA was filed, student aid report received, etc. The status of your FAFSA and profile, and you can also check on your colleges. When you're an underclassman, this is going to be the name of the institution and then the cost of attendance and the EFC and the target. So you can look at the schools you're considering, and a target EFC runs through a formula to get a target of what we expect that school to contribute to your education. As you get into your senior year, these columns all expand because we have profile, admission apps, admission offers, and as you submit this information to our office and we post this information, then it expands these columns and becomes available through these reports. It also figures, in addition to tracking the admission offers and the award letters, et cetera, it also figures the target gift aid. And it also calculates in what you received in gift aid, and it automatically shows whether that is above or below the target. Above the target is a blue, and below the target is a red. Now, from this report, you have the ability of drilling through or drilling down to a sub-report. Let's say you click on University of Rhode Island, and you'll get a sub-report for that school that has the contact information, phones, website, federal code, cost of attendance, funding available, the number of applicants, and those who are actually applied, admitted, enrolled. So you can have a conversion rate there and a yield rate. Average incoming test scores, loans, need-based aid, etc. This is available for any of these schools. Anytime you drill down and go from a report to another report, you'll be presented with a back arrow where you can go back to the parent report. Click this and you go back, and you're back on your parent report. If you want to see this similar information for Lesley University, click on the school name. Here again is your similar information for Lesley University. Choose one more here. University of Massachusetts Amherst. Again, any of these reports, you have the ability to export them using the blue at the top. Blue, PDF. Your blue disk will get them out to a PDF. Turn it down just a notch here so you can see. And of course, you can save this to your machine. You can print this out. You can bring back on here and reference anytime you want. University of Massachusetts Amherst, and again, all their information. So you can check your test scores and GPA, et cetera, against the incoming students, the competition, the other students who are starting at the school, and you can kind of see how you stack up, and that'll help you when we figure in your funding being offered. That is a great factor, how you stack up against the other applicants. So we're back to this report. The main report, again, anytime you drill down to one of these reports and go down to Rhode Island, you'll be presented with a back button. Go back to the main report. You can close all the reports. Again, enrollment details, missing data, income and asset summary, activities and phone log procedures, tax returns, W-2s, FAFSA, CSS profile, and my colleges. The Client Progress Tracker is of great help to us through this entire process. It helps ensure that you're up to date with the latest activities and requirements of our program, while at the same time, it keeps you on track throughout the entire college planning process. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our office. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tutorial, and we certainly look forward to working with you.